what you're doing? Come on, Conrad, you can do it. We've seen you do
I
it.
think he's motivated because he hates being on his tummy so much.
You can do it now. Oh, you're stretched out more. It's harder to get the leverage.
Do it. Do it.
You were going. I saw it. You can do it. Oh, it's
It's
so
like I showed you
hard.
already.
It's so hard.
Pressure. You know how. It's okay. Howdy. Which way are you gonna go? He's just mad.
Oh. All right, well, we'll give you a rest. We'll come back later. You can show me later? Are you going to show me later?
Oh, the little boy's sad. Why is the little boy sad?
All right, wait, goodbye.